Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to review a product which is called as Soundio, and what this product is, how this product works, how it's gonna make you money. We will discuss everything in details. But before telling you anything about this product, let me make it very clear that if you buy this product from the link in the description, that I am going to earn some commissions from your purchase without you paying anything extra for the product. Why I'm getting so? I'm getting this because I'm referring you to the product creator. That is why he will incentivize me with some commissions. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product, and I will give you tons of bonuses from my side as well. Let me show you my bonuses. This is my bonus page of Soundio, as you can see, and beneath this, as you can see, as my bonus number 1, this is my bonus number 1, this is my bonus number 2, this is my bonus number 3. All these bonuses will be completely for free for you if you buy this product from the link in the description. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product and see about this product. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, Soundio, this world's first AI-based, as you can see right here, it's world's first AI-based music composer and premier track mixer at the low one-time price. Get an instant access to the world's first AI-based music composer and mixer platform that composes unlimited premium music tracks in just 30 seconds. Okay, use and sell unlimited Soundios to your clients with commercial license. Professional music composing cloud-based platform, no limitations, completely for free, royalty-free music with no copyrights. Get millions of high-quality music tracks, get custom commercially licensed, sell unlimited music tracks and earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience required. Automate music generation technology for your projects. Unlimited one-click download. Inbuilt advanced image and video editor. A $200 refund if it does not work for you. Okay, so this is a pretty bold claim. If this does not work for you, then they will refund you back $200. Not just 100, but $200 if this does not work for your well. Okay, so before going any further more details, and I will also give you a discount. So let me first of all show you the discount code which you can apply and get a $3 discount on this product. So the discount coupon details, as you can see, all time and days is Sound3 is the discount code. You will get a $3 discount. Okay, kindly remember Sound3. This is Sound3. So you will get a $3 discount if you apply the code which is Sound3. Okay. So and now going into any more details about this product, let me again show you my bonuses which I'm going to give you and what you will get benefited if you buy this product from the link in the description. Okay, so this is my bonus page. As you can see, this is completely for Soundio. We'll discuss about this timer, and I have briefed about this product, as you can see right here, what this product is, and there is a funnel, and now we will discuss about the funnel as well. But before discussing about the funnel, let me again show you what are the things that I'm going to give you for free if you buy this product. Okay, so if you go for this product which is Soundio, it will be a very much helpful for you because it will create soundtracks in just 30 seconds or less, which is pretty much insane. And I can also say that right now in the marketing world, if you can, there is two ways of how you can earn money online and make a good fortune online. Number one is if you can create something of your own. Okay, then you will make enormous amount of money. And number two is if you can sell other people's products, then you can also make an enormous amount of money. From the Soundio platform, you can make your own products, and from the things which I'm going to give you, you can create just not create your own product, but you can sell other people's product to make a very good fortune of your own. Because and that methodology or that method is called as affiliate marketing, which does not require yourself to create product, but you can sell other people's product to make enormous amount of money as your need or as you wish. Okay, or as you can work. The Soundio thing will teach you how to create your products. The thing which I'm going to give you as my bonus number 1 is completely based on affiliate marketing. How to do affiliate marketing the right way, the most precise method of doing affiliate marketing I'm going to give you completely for free if you wanna get into affiliate marketing world or affiliate marketing business. Okay, so the bonus number 1, as you can see right here, the $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, $200 cash, commission blueprint, $300 CP every day, commission profit jack, instant traffic jacker. There are top 16 affiliate marketing courses which will completely change your perspective of affiliate marketing. How to do it the right way, you will get enormous knowledge regarding to it. Okay, so there are the 2 methods of making money online, which is creating your own product, which you will learn and when you buy the Soundio platform, and selling other people's product, which I'm going to give you as my bonuses. So there will be no way you will not be able to make money online. Okay, after you purchase this product which is called a Soundio, then, and what you need to do to get this bonus is simply click the link in the description. You will land on this page, which is my bonus page. From my bonus page, if you click on any of these yellow buttons, which is this one, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. You will land on the Soundio sales page. From here, if you click on these buttons, this button, then you can get Soundio as well as my bonuses, which I'm going to give you. Okay, so this is not it about my bonuses. There is bonus number 2 which I'm going to give you, and it is the backbone of affiliate marketing or anything online. It will be required a lot in your Soundio platform as well, which is traffic, customers, buyers, whatever you call it. Because without traffic or customers, there is no way you can make money online. And when people are not there to buy your product or the product which you want to sell through affiliate marketing, if people are not there or you cannot attract people, then there is no way of making money. And the bonus number 2 will solve that problem for you once and for all. And the bonus number 2 will show you the right ways of getting or gathering leads or traffic for your business. So the bonus number 2, as you can see right here, the clones, the Fuego breakout, bang profits, Fuego multiplier, 0-hour work days, incognito, all of these are traffic courses, top 6 traffic courses which will show you the right way of getting traffic. Okay, and this is not ended yet. The bonus number 3 is completely based on money making online. So I am very much intense to give you all the resources that I can possibly give to solve your problem of money and to give you an enormous amount of money in the right way, in the right direction, and I can show you that, okay, through my bonuses. Bonus number 3 is, as you can see right here, 0-hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Lost Code, Mobile, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Easy Basic Paydays. All of these are 9 money making courses which I'm going to give you completely for free if you buy this product from the link in the description right now. Okay, so to get the bonuses, what you need to do is simply click the link in the description. You will land on this page. From this page, you know the process. Click on any of these yellow buttons and you will land on this page. From this page, if you buy this product through this button, then all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, but there is one catch, and that catch is this timer. This timer, before the timer is 0, there is no way you will miss out on these bonuses. The bonuses, if you do not get the bonuses, it will be my responsibility to get the bonuses to you. But after this timer is 0, I am really very sorry, but it will not be my responsibility to get the bonuses to you. It will be your responsibility if you get the bonuses or not. It is completely your luck. If your luck favors, you will get. If your luck does not favors, you will not get. But that is not my responsibility. Okay, so now let us see about the product itself, which is Soundio. We have discussed about this product a little bit. Now let us see what are the processes you need to do and you need to take to get this product right. Okay, the step 1 is login and enter your keyword to find any category like happy, romantic, rock, funny, etc., whatever you like. Step 2 is generate, preview and select the ideal category, and then download. Simply select and download, use for yourself or your clients. Okay, Soundio to thousands of people who are tired of copyright issues on their videos have shifted to Soundio to compose and sell royalty-free music tracks. AI-powered music composing platform, royalty-free music, no copyrights, million of high-quality music tracks, boost your video clicks, commercial license included, music tracks for every online niche. Start your own music composing agency, compose and sell music tracks, inbuilt advanced image and video editor, hassle-free, one-click download, compatible with Windows, Mac or Linux, and much more. Plus commercial license included if you act today only. Okay. People on the internet loving Soundio. There are a lot of stuff right here to watch. Result in yesterday and a week. Last 7 days, this much. Do you like watching videos without music? No, I don't. And you won't and have the same reaction. So even this video which you are watching is having an background music in itself. Okay. By adding music to your videos, you can make 10x more engaging in converting videos. That is the power of music. It sets the pace of the video. It stirs different emotions on the mind. Music helps to hold attention. It used to create positive association to stimulate action. It helps in crafting a unique brand identity. Okay. So the people who created the product is Akshat Gupta and he is Udhab Pramanik. As you can see, we used to spend thousands of dollars every month to get good high quality Soundio tracks, create subscription services and a lot. So this is about, there are a lot of things in the page as well which you can read out and study at your leisure. If you buy this, if you come on this page, what you need to do is simply click the link in the description. You will land on my bonus page and you click on any of these yellow buttons. It says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. You will land on this page, and if you click on any of these buttons, you will buy this product and get all the bonuses to you. Okay, and before buying, kindly apply this coupon code which is SOUND3 to get a discount of $3 to your purchase. Okay, and so there are a lot of bonuses the creators are also giving you. The one is a logo jam, design jam, 100 plus marketing emails, 80% discount on all upgrades, unlimited agency license. Total of these are 5,857, but you will be getting for free today. Not dream your life, live your dreams. So and they are having a 30-day money back guarantee. If you do not feel like it, kindly replace the product and get a refund of this. And before wrapping up the video, let me again tell you about the funnel. So what is a funnel? A funnel, what you are watching, the Soundio, is the front end product, and there are a lot of back end products as well. What they do, they enhance the performance of the previous product. Okay, and they vary and they will be offered one time only. The first one is $70, which is Soundio front end. Then you will be offered $37 of OTO1, which is Pro plus reseller license. Then you will be offered a $47 of Soundio agency. Then you will be offered a Soundio stock edition of $37, Soundio automation at $37, and Soundio white label edition at $97. You will get to see all the details when you land on that particular page, so do not worry about it. And that was the end of this video. I guess if you have any query regarding to the product, kindly comment in the section down below. I will definitely reply to every single query of yours. Do not hesitate, and if I am not able to, then I will ask Udhab and Akshat to answer and solve the problems, and I will reach out to you as soon as possible. So with that note, let me wrap up the video. And I create videos of this sort, so kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you would not miss on various videos and various product we launches every single week. And so with that note, let us wrap the video, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.